Hello, I'm Rhonda the Rectangle. I am a rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. I am a rectangle and I have two parallel sets. Every angle that I have, every angle that I have is 90 degrees. You times my length by my height, You times my length by my height to get x units squared.
So wait, what do you mean by that?
Well, say my length is 5 inches, 5 inches, 5 inches. Say my length is 5 inches and my width is 2.
So 2 times 5 is 10. Does that mean you're 10 inches squared?
That's my area.
So my teacher was asking about diagonals. What are those?
There are two diagonals, diagonals, diagonals. There are two diagonals in a rectangle. My diagonals are congruent, congruent, congruent. My diagonals are congruent. This means they are the same.
Well, how do you find diagonals?
You square the length and the width and the width and the width. Square the length and the width, then add them together.
Well, that's it?
Well, not exactly. Take that number and square root it, square root it, square root it. Take the number, square root it. That's my diagonal.
That's cool! What about perimeter?
You add up all of my sides, all my sides, all my sides. You add up all my sides to get the perimeter.
What if I don't have all the sides?
Well, I have two parallel sets. This means both the length and the width and the width and the width, both the length and the width will be doubled up.
That means since your length is 5 and your width is 2, the perimeter should be 14 inches squared, right?
Not square. Unit square is area, area, area. Unit square is area, perimeter is not.
Well, is there such thing as a family tree?
Well, yeah, sort of.
Well, what is it then?
First there's a quadrilateral, lateral, lateral. There is a quadrilateral, and then the parallelogram. After the parallelogram, parallelogram, parallelogram. After the parallelogram, there's a rhombus and rectangle. Put these two shapes together, and you get a square.